Hey everybody, welcome in today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at how the market has opened and how it has evolved. As most of the pairs have opened, the market has opened with a crazy momentum on the opposite direction as we anticipated. So we're going to start off with DXY. This was our initial bias as we saw prices coming down this trend line, and we're like, okay, once they reach here, we want to see a rejection and prices push lower all the way until they reach down here. Right now, if we zoom in, you can see, so until prices came here, they kind of gave us a rejection, but then they didn't really change the trend. As you know, we don't take the trade that's against our trend, and we can see until here, after this rejection, prices still failed to break below this low. So this was a clear indication that, okay, the bullish trend is still in play, right? The bullish trend is still in play. And then after that, prices just took off, pushing higher, crazy bullish momentum, changing the direction. So now we can see that prices have already broken above this trend line, and they're somewhere up here. So currently, what moves will I be looking for? Obviously, I'll have to adjust this and put it somewhere up here, covering the wicks. So that's the most recent structure that we're looking at right now. Now, the move that I'm expecting to see here is for prices to actually come back down here before finishing this move. This is the move that I'm anticipating. So let's take a look at the other pairs. So on Euro USD, what I'll be expecting is to see prices come back up here before we see that there. GU, same thing applies. I'll be looking for that retracement before I look for that continuation, right? And on gold, same thing applies, baby. Same thing applies. But on gold, as you can see, the trend has still not yet changed. As prices haven't broken below this trend line, this support still holds. So I won't really be looking for a trade on gold. I'll just be looking at it from afar. I won't really be looking for a trade on this thing. So yeah. Now let's look at JPY. JPY prices, I was anticipating to see kind of a continuation on the upside. Once prices were here, I was anticipating to see a continuation, but prices failed to break above this trend line, and they just kept on pushing lower, right? So currently what I'll be looking for is for prices to perhaps come back down here, and then once they reach here, I'll look at the momentum in which they have, if I'll be looking to take a buy, or if the bearish momentum is strong enough to actually continue riding off this trend. So you can see DXY right now has lost momentum. I'll be expecting a retracement. JPYX prices have reached all the way until the third target, so I'm not really going to be focusing on this. EU, obviously, looking for a retracement to come here before I take a sell. Same thing with GU, gold, as we said. Euro JPY, we can see prices are on this trend line, but no confirmation, so I'm not going to take a trade. CAD JPY, prices are also about to hit this resistance structure. So I'll be waiting for prices to wick that structure and then see if we'll actually have this bearish confirmation to continue, or if we'll be looking for buys, you know. So I'm not going to really be focusing on JPYX as the map is really not clear on it. But on DXY, that's what I'll be focusing on. I'll be looking for a retracement before prices actually push higher. So with that being said, I really appreciate you watching how prices have turned out. Today is Monday, so we'll be focusing on US dollar as it shows more promise. Now, with that being said, I appreciate your time, appreciate you being here, appreciate you watching me until now. If you're still watching this, please do subscribe, because we produce valuable content like this on a daily basis, and you don't want to miss out. So till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Peace.